Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 9 Maths, chapter number 2 Polynomials, exercise 2.4. In that question 4, factorize. So let us observe this polynomial 12x square minus 7x plus 1. This is a quadratic polynomial. So how we will factorize this polynomial? Okay. So our first step is, with the help of first term and last term, we will split the middle term. Again I am speaking, with the help of first term and last term, we will split the middle term. Okay. So our first term is 12 and last term is 1. So first of all, we will multiply the first term and last term. So 12 ones are 12. Okay. Now we have to make the factor of 12. Means in which and how the table 12 will come. Okay. So we are splitting the factor of 12. Taking out the factor of 12. So 12 will come as a 12 ones are also. 2 6 will also come as a 12. Okay. 3 4s will also come as a 12. Now we have to bring minus 7 over here with the help of either 2 multiplied by 6 or 3 multiplied by 4. So if we take this factor 2 multiplied by 6, so if we will do 2 plus 6, then it will come 8, and if we minus 2 minus 6, then it will come minus 4. Means minus 7 is not coming. So this pair is wrong. Okay. Now we will take the pair this. Okay. If we will do 3 plus 4, then it will come 7. But we have to bring minus 7. Okay. So if we will do minus 3 and minus 4, then minus minus plus and bigger number sign we will put. So in this way, this pair is perfectly. The minus 7 is coming over here. Okay. Now this minus 3 and minus 4 we will put in this polynomial. So first of all, we have to write the first term as it is, that is 12x square. Okay. Now this minus 3 we will put over here and we will stick this x. Okay. Again minus 4 we will put over here and again we will stick x with minus 4, and plus 1 will remain as it is. Means these two factor we have put it in the middle one instead of minus 7. Okay. Now we have to make the two pair. First 2 pair and last 2 pair. Now observe, from first pair, that is 12x square and minus 3x, we have to take out the common. Okay. So common will be 3x. How? Because in 3 table 3 is also coming and 12 is also coming. Here 12x square is there and here 1x is there. So 1x will be come out. Okay. So now in bracket 3 4s are 12 will remain. Here already 2x is there. 1x we had taken as a common. So 1 only remain. And here minus 3x we had taken out as a common. So here 1 will remain. Okay. Now in this pair, what is the common? So nothing is common. So here minus 1 will remain as a common, and in bracket 4x minus plus minus and 1 will remain. Now to check whether our answer is right or not, we had taken out the common, right or not. These two bracket will always remain as the same. Okay. See, here also 4x minus 1, here also 4x minus 1. To check out that our common is right or not, means here we have taken out our common as a right. Okay. Now we will join 3x and minus 1. 3x minus 1, and this both the bracket is common, so we will write only one time. So our factor for this polynomial is 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Okay, let us move to the second one, that is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This is the second question for question 4, exercise 2.4, second question. Okay, so with the help of first term and last term, we will split the middle one. Okay, so our first term is 2 and our last term is 3. So we have to multiply first term and last term. So if we will multiply first term and last term, 3 2s are 6. Now we have to make a factor of 6. How the 6 will come? Okay, so 6 will come as 1 multiplied by 6 will also come 6. 2 3s will also come as a 6. Okay, now we have to bring plus 7. We have to bring plus 7. So if we will take this factor 1 plus 6, so it becomes 7. So our first factor is right. Okay, so we will take this pair. Now these two number we will put in the middle one. So here 2x square will remain as it is. Now first of all we will put plus 1 and x we will stick over here. Then we will put plus 6, again x we will stick over here, and last term will remain as it is. Now we have to make the first two pair. First two pair and last two pair. Okay, now from first pair what is the common? So x will make as a common. Okay, x will taken as a common. So here in bracket x will remain as it is plus 1. Okay, see again here 2x plus 1. Again I am speaking, we had taken out the common x. Okay, we had taken out the common x. So in bracket 2 will remain as it is, and here 2x is there, means 1x we had taken out as a common, so 1 is remain. So here x will remain, plus 1 will come as it is. And in this bracket what will be the common? So in 3 table 3 is also coming and 6 also coming. So plus 3 will taken out as a common. So here 3, how much? 6. So 2s are 6. X will remain as it is, plus plus plus, and in 3 table when the 3 is coming, so 1s are. Okay, see here the 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1, the same bracket is getting out, so our common is right. So we will first of all join this both number x plus 3, and this common bracket we will write only one time. So this is our factor for 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay, hope you understand very well these two questions. This is quadratic polynomial which we had done the factorize. So please share our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition on a YouTube, and also share to others so that they can be helpful to this. Thank you so much.